I believe one of the most important panels that you'll master in this program, and maybe that's not fair because they're so intertwined with each other, but the layers panel is a very important part of the program because it allows us to control our images. Now, there was a time in Photoshop, long time ago, that there were no layers in this program, and those were dark, dark times. Layers panel today can hold up to 8,000 layers. Now, if you ever do an 8,000 layer document, let me take a peek at it because that would be absolutely amazing. I routinely work on images of several hundred layers. Layers control the pieces of the image, so it's a very important panel to master, and we even have some new features with CS6 like a search function, which makes it even that much more valuable. But we're going to do some Layers 101, show you the new features and what's it about. We're going to get into aligning image layers, just kind of like you do in Adobe Illustrator, where you take objects and you kind of line them all up, except we have to have everything in a separate layer. That's kind of important. We're going to talk about creating layer groups, so we can put all our stuff in one layer and then put bunches of groups together to kind of control what we're doing. We're going to talk about the background as opposed to a layer. Now, you can have 8,000 layers, but you can only have one background, and we'll talk about the significance of what's called the background. We're going to stack. We're going to copy. We're going to delete layers. We're going to merge. But there's a lot of different ways to merge, and some of those ways change how the image works, and some don't. So we'll talk about that, and we'll wrap it up by having some fun in creating a layer-based vignette. The Layers panel, very important. Let's get started.